You can clap to the beat, you can move to the beat, but can you actually explain the difference between beat and rhythm? In this video, I'll break it down and show you eighth notes, simple rhythms, and even half and whole notes so we can count and play with confidence. If you don't have a piano yet, I linked some beginner-friendly keyboards in the description so you can follow along at home. As I mentioned in my previous lesson, the beat is the steady pulse that keeps time. Like the ticking of a clock, the motor that makes the music move. The rhythm is the pattern of sounds and silence as you play over that beat. It's how you move and what you do with the beat. Think of the beat as the road, and the rhythm is the way that you're driving. Sometimes straight, sometimes with turns, sometimes pausing.
In most music, a quarter note equals one beat. An eighth note is half of that. Two eighth notes fit into one beat. On sheet music, eighth notes have a filled-in head, a stem, and a flag. They can also be connected with the beam when there are two or more eighth notes. We count them as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and when you are in 4/4 time.
Now let's hear quarter and eighth notes together in a simple rhythm. Here's a simple rhythm. Left hand plays quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The right hand plays eighth notes. So, quarter notes give the pulse, eighth notes fill in between. This is one of the easiest ways to feel how beat and rhythm work together. And this is how it would sound in a real piece of music. Now, let's slow things down and explore notes that last longer than one beat. A half note lasts for 2 beats. It's open in the middle with a stem. You count 1, 2. A whole note lasts for 4 beats. Open with no stem. And you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note is 2 beats. The whole note is 4 beats. Like shorter notes, they still fit into the structure of the beat and rhythm. Try playing a 4-beat pattern with your left hand. Now play half notes on the right hand. The right hand notes last 2 beats when playing half notes. Again, try playing a 4-beat pattern with your left hand. And we're going to play whole notes. They last 4 beats. Today you learned how beat and rhythm work together and how notes can be short, quick, or long and flowing. But music is also built on silence. In our next lesson, we will meet the rests, the musical pauses that give rhythm its space to breathe. All the tools I mentioned today, pianos, metronomes, and practice materials are linked in the description if you want to check them out. That's it for today's lesson. Stay musical, and I'll see you on the next one.